Words we need to speak about hospital, doctor and health. Different types of doctors. This doctor here, family doctor and hospital doctor. They are called a surgeon, a GP, so your family doctor is a general practitioner, the GP, and the doctors in hospital are called a specialist or a consultant. What is happening in the picture? The nurse is checking the pulse. What is the name of the person receiving treatment? So if this is the doctor, what is this person called? He or she is a patient. When you are receiving treatment from a doctor, you are a patient. Words we need to speak about illness. We have this picture here, problem with the ear, head, stomach, and teeth. So we have an earache, a headache, a stomach ache, and a toothache. The word ache means pain. What are these illnesses called? 4 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sore throat, a cold, the flu, and a cough. What are these symptoms called? So a symptom is a problem or a feeling you have. You need to tell the doctor what your symptoms are. Sneezing, diarrhea, fatigue, aches and pains. Now, how often? Words we use to speak about our symptoms. So, never is 0. Rarely, a little bit. Seldom, occasionally. Occasionally. Sometimes, 50% of the time, sometimes. Often, about 65% of the time, often. normally, usually, and always. Now, looking at coronavirus, the symptoms: fever, cough, fatigue, aches and pains, sore throat, headaches, shortness of breath, so problems breathing, runny or stuffy nose, diarrhea, sneezing. Common. Common means normally or usually. So with coronavirus, fever and cough, usually. Sometimes, fatigue, aches and pains, sore throat, headaches, shortness of breath. Rare, runny nose or diarrhea. Rare, rarely. And sneezing, never. Let's look at some other words we need for doctor and hospital. So we have 3 pictures. Crutches, broken leg, and broken arm. So what is happening in the picture? It is an injection or a vaccine. Maybe if you are in hospital, they give you an injection, and as a child, we get a vaccine. What are the names of the 3 pictures? So this is a thermometer to take temperature. This person here has a temperature or a fever. And this is a plaster or a band-aid. At the GP. So we have different pictures. Okay. So first, at reception. You speak to the receptionist. The waiting room. In the surgery with the GP. And this is a prescription. At the hospital. This is an X-ray, blood tests, and ambulance. Now let's look at some pictures and symbols. Here we have the words to match the pictures and symbols. Take a minute to look at the pictures and read the words. Sore throat. Fever. Cover your cough. Fatigue. Cough. Social distancing. Shortness of breath. Clean surfaces. Don't shake hands. Wash hands.